The step size in the tracking settings can be really important. Let's imagine you want to put some planting through here on a 45-degree angle, and we're specifying that the mini shrubs that are going to go in there are at 500mm centres. If you right click on the desktop, go to Drafting Aids, click on the Polar Tracking tab, make sure your increment angle is 45. You can have other angles, but leave it at 45. We won't add any additional angles. We'll set absolute polar step distance at 500 units and enable a distance step. So now when we select our mini shrub symbol and we click it and we copy it, clicking in the midpoint there, if we move away, we're tracking down along that 45-degree line, and it's easy because the step size is set at 500 to click on the 500, move down again 500, again 500, 500, and 500. So now we have a band of mini shrubs there, and you could select all of those and copy those again from the center there and track in this direction 500 and pop them down. You can still go 500 and 500 and then just eliminate those symbols that overlap into the built area, so we can erase those, and we could now move this larger shrub out of the way. So can you see that with the aid of tracking on, you're designing and setting out your planting at the same time. So we could continue that massed planting pretty easily in the other direction. You might want to do something like this, just pick 4 and copy those again in that direction, and you get your planting done. So those plants are planted at 500 centres. You could put a note to that effect. But we're interested in the sight lines through here, looking at the paved area and being illuminated by some planting through here. So we've got a sight line through the window, both windows, over the top of some mass planting of colourful mini shrubs. So that combination of the drafting aid, the tracking, the step size and so on just makes things so easy.